welcome to our ABC video. Let's learn the alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's start. A. A is for alligator. A is for apple. A is for ant. B. B is for bear. B is for ball. B is for bird. C. C is for cat. C is for cake. C is for car. D. D is for deer. D is for dog. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for ear. F. F is for frog. F is for fish. F is for flower. G. G is for goose. G is for giraffe. G is for grapes. H. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for hand. I. I is for ice cream. I is for insect. I is for igloo. J. J is for jaguar. J is for juice. J is for jam. K. K is for koala. K is for kite. K is for kitchen. L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. L is for leaf. M. M is for monkey. M is for mother. M is for moon. N. N is for nest. N is for nose. N is for nuts. O. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for oven. P. P is for pig. P is for penguin. T is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for rain. S. S is for shark. S is for sun. S is for snail. T. T is for turtle. T is for tiger. T is for train. U. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. V. V is for vase. V is for violin. V is for vegetable. W. W is for whale. W is for watch. W is for water. X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yogurt. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zipper. Z is for zucchini. Great job, kiddos! You've learned all the letters from A to Z today. You did amazing, and now you know your ABCs. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a master of the alphabet. See you next time for more fun learning adventures, and keep stepping ahead with Step Ahead Kiddos.